Are you tired of the discomfort caused by receding gums? Don't underestimate this problem, as it can lead to serious dental issues, including tooth loss. Receding gums can create gaps between the gums and teeth, providing a breeding ground for harmful bacteria. But fear not. Today, we will explore some homemade remedies that can help address this common health concern. If you notice gaps between your gums and teeth, it's crucial to visit your dentist promptly. Depending on the severity, they may recommend tooth scaling or gum surgery. However, for less severe cases, you can try natural homemade therapies and remedies to stimulate gum regrowth. Here are 5 effective remedies you can implement today. 1. Turmeric. Harness the power of turmeric, known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Create a paste by mixing turmeric powder with water, and gently apply it to your gums. Leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing with water. This remedy can help reduce inflammation and promote gum health. 2. Vitamin C. Boost your gum health with vitamin C. Incorporate foods rich in vitamin C into your diet, such as citrus fruits, berries, and leafy greens. Alternatively, consider taking a vitamin C supplement to support gum regrowth and overall oral health. 3. Lemon oil. Unlock the antiseptic and antibacterial properties of lemon oil to aid in gum reconstruction. Exercise caution, as excessive application may harm tooth enamel. Prepare your own lemon oil by mixing olive oil with fresh lemon juice. Store it in a dark place for several weeks and use it once a day as a rinse. 4. Green tea. Indulge in the benefits of green tea, abundant in antioxidants that combat free radicals and help prevent numerous ailments. Green tea also contains catechins, which act as potent antioxidants, eliminating periodontal diseases and strengthening the bond between your gums and teeth. Additionally, it reduces swelling and inflammation. 5. Coconut or sesame oil. Harness the power of coconut or sesame oil as effective natural remedies. Sesame oil has been used for centuries due to its anti-inflammatory features, cavity-fighting properties, and toxin removal capabilities. Warm the oil and swish it in your mouth for 15 minutes daily. Coconut oil provides similar benefits and can be used as an alternative. Remember, while these natural remedies can work wonders, it's essential to maintain good oral hygiene practices. Brush your teeth gently, avoid tobacco use, and schedule regular checkups with your dentist. If you experience persistent symptoms of receding gums, don't hesitate to consult with your dentist for proper treatment. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to rejuvenating your smile with natural remedies for receding gums. Take control of your oral health and bid farewell to receding gums within just 2 weeks. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you found this information helpful.